Okay. Making sure everything's set up right. Looks like it is. Down. Thanks for tuning in again. Today the plan is to go to a abandoned mine on a airless planetoid, or moon, I guess, and pick up those material for engineering and stuff just lying on the ground. So we're gonna fly out there in my Asp Explorer. I've already been out there twice today, and drive around in the SRV and scoop them up, and then periodically excuse me, periodically exit back to the main menu to reset it, so I can just keep going back out and picking up materials. Every time you go back to the main menu, the stuff you picked up, things just reappear. So it is let me switch scenes so you can see what I'm talking about. It's located on the 5th planet, or object from Hades sector DR-V C2-23. Oh, and I'm not going to plot it, but I mean, it's already plotted, but I'm not going to show you the other map right now. When I get in the system, I'll show it. So let's get started. It's 8 jumps in my Asp, and the Asp has about a 30. I know it was 11 jumps in my Anaconda. Where do I find this information at? I know one of these things shows the jump range. There it is. Yeah, 29.9. It's kind of heavy because I have 2 SRVs with me. So if you take a ship that's shorter jump range, it's going to take more jumps. But it is what it is. Let's get started so we can have some fun. Hey, Letho Darkness. I'm going back to that place. I've been there twice already, and trying to narrate everything I'm doing because this will go up on YouTube. My internet's kind of hokey tonight, so my Twitch stream may be not optimum. Actually, I'm doing okay. I had a little bit of problems with breathing. I've got some lung issues. So I just did a breathing treatment, and I'm like, the albuterol stuff's like, makes me all shaky. But that'll pass. It's okay now. Other than that, I'm doing good. Station. Got a bad habit of running into things lately, like the ground. A little problems finding someplace to park, and that Dave's hope. Oh well. I've smoked for 40 years, so you reap what you sow, you know. I had pneumonia last April. That took me months to get my strength and stuff back. It really put a whooping on me. Yeah, I'm in Solo, but that's where I'm going. Taking 2 SRVs because I noticed when I was driving around a lot, the other one was getting low on gas, so Getting better at driving the SRV though. Not much better, but better. I just pick up everything in sight because it doesn't take up any space. So whatever it is, I pick it up and scanned all the stuff. I see Sabin is going Thargoid hunting soon. Yeah. Get there a lot faster if I jump. Haven't heard I thought I heard someone say that the engineered frameshift drive will be available Thursday or released Thursday. Yeah, they don't look too rugged in a way, but they are fun to drive.
Fuel scooping. Fuel scooping complete. Frameshift drive charging.
I don't believe I've ever been to that system. I might have though. I don't know. I don't recognize that name.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, you know you've got thrusters and stuff. I guess you could probably push yourself back down.
Fuel scooping.
I saw a YouTube video of some guy in an
Fuel scooping complete.
SRV that was in space, and there was a ship bumping him, and it was trying to push him back down and stuff. I guess it eventually worked.
Frameshift drive charging.
But they might have been just goofing around. I don't know.
Four, three, two,
Probably should turn these speakers down just a little bit, so Mike doesn't pick them up too bad. Still picking them up.
fuel scooping.
Let me check the back of this microphone after I pass this.
Fuel scoop disengaged.
Hang on just a moment. Okay, I accidentally hit that button on the back all the time. It changes to a cardioid directional pattern, so it doesn't pick up the behind it as well, so it doesn't pick up the speakers.
Frameshift drive charging.
No, I don't think an SRV is really made for atmospheric flight.
Four, three, two,
On my way back last time, I was in my Anaconda. For some reason, you know, I've got a filter on my galaxy map, so when it plots, it's supposed to use scoopable stars only, or as much as it can. And I was just running into non-scoopable stars left and right, coming back. And the filter was on, but I unapplied it and reapplied it, and it replotted it, and that solved that problem, but that was just weird. You gonna be streaming later tonight?
4, 3, 2, 1.
I also need to check and see what these materials are good for. I may just be collecting for nothing, but I don't care. It's something to do, something I haven't really done before, so. Like this star. Why is it not scooping? That's okay. Oh, in college, eh? What you going to try to go for? What degree? Well, that's helpful.
Frameshift drive charging.
I got headphone hair poking out. Technical communication. I don't know what that is. I know what a technical writer is. Is that a IT related field or something?
Fuel scooping.
There's the destination.
Fuel scoop disengaged. Frameshift drive charging. Four, three, two,
Ah, okay. I don't really need to scoop. I guess I will,
fuel
though.
scooping. Fuel scooping complete.
Okay. Now that we're in the system, I'll show you this map. A lot of carriers here. It's the 5th body. It may not say that, may be unexplored when you first get there if you've never been here before. I had to use the FSS scanner and everything to get the name to show up. I knew it was the 5th body anyway, though. And it won't, Day's Hope will not show up on the panel until you get there. I actually got interdicted when I was parked doing all my scanning and stuff. I got interdicted and had to evade. Didn't have any cargo, but evaded anyway. There goes my internet. Oh, I know you. I know that. Actually, I think it is bookmarked now. Goes that? I don't know, maybe not. Give me a sip of my cold coffee. Poor planning. I mapped it. Let me switch to combat mode so I can see. See, now it shows up over here. It's above me. Hey, there it is right there.
Orbital flight engaged.
Hopefully I won't bounce off of the ground this time. Did you see the video clip or anything of me smashing into the planet at the engineers? At over 300 meters per second. Yeah, they just pretty much follow the ground, I think. Anytime you want to complete this glide, it'd be cool. Thank you. Not too bad. I think it's clipped. I think I clipped it, but yeah, I was accelerating down, and I was like, "Why am I slowing down and stuff?" By the time I caught on, you know, I had so much forward momentum, and I was like turned sideways and stuff when I ended up hitting the ground, but I was still, you know, going downward. I never tried them, but I read, I mean, I heard a YouTuber say, one of the big time YouTubers say that you can't use them on a planetary body because they just fall to the ground, but the gravity or something, the thrusters aren't strong enough. But it doesn't really make sense to me. But on some planetoids, because the gravity's so weak. I know I'm going far out, but I'm still going to put my gear down now so I don't have to in a hasty manner.
Landing gear deployed.
Remember where I parked last time. I think it was over here somewhere. I landed once and everything was blue, but it did not I did not land, so I had to go up, move a couple of feet, and come back down. So I had to get my trusty. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that'd be cool. But I had to get my trusty box that has the thruster buttons written down on it. See, I'm down, but it's not like it's because it's tilted a little bit or something. There it goes. Close-up pics of dead Thargoid, you mean? Okay, now that we've arrived.
Drive assist on.
I saw a live one once. It killed me. That video's up on YouTube. Oh my goodness. How does she know? I guess I should put this down here. I might need it again. It's just my wife texting me. I don't think I need to be in combat mode for this. I think mine is just an interceptor or something that killed me. I don't know. Somebody looked at the picture and told me once. Yeah, I went to a non-human signal source to check it out when I was mapping stuff, and didn't know anything about Thargoids. So I mean, I knew they existed and what they looked like, but I didn't know that if I had just stopped when I entered the area, they would come and scan me and stuff, and pretty much leave me alone. But not me. No, I was just driving around, zooming around places. So.
Cargo scoop deployed.
Switch to contacts. Don't know which one it is in front of me, but we'll find out. And we got lucky. Now the comms ports, I've already, I don't know if it'll let me do them again. I've already accessed them once. But I just have to come up right here and scan it if it'll let you. Stop. Now see, I've already accessed it. There's an active data terminal that you can scan too. I don't know what you get out of this information, but since it's there in the game, I imagine there's a reason for it. In fact, it's on the other end of the place. We'll just drive around. There it is. It's in that red thing here. You have to aim at it. So to do that, you have to get into turret. Nice.
Incoming message.
Specialized. Ooh, that's different than what it was earlier. That was specialized firmware. Huh. Sounds like something some engineer might want or something. I don't know. All we do, we're just gonna drive around here and scoop up stuff. Yeah. Microprocessors. Oh, I mean, it takes a little time, but it's free stuff, and it's all just lying around, so... Yeah, I've never been there because I've never driven my SRV and stuff before, but I'll go there now because this is no big deal. This is easy. I kind of expected it to be a little more challenging. I swear there they are. I saw some sitting out over here. Right. Well, I figured that the more materials I have, the better options I will have to you know, engineer things and do stuff. I don't know how many I need, but when I look at the inventory, it's got room for hundreds of them or something. That's cool. Components found in shipment, yeah. Used by engineers. I guess all these are pretty much used by engineers, so like I say, I'm just going to grab everything that I see. And then I'll go back to, I guess, I don't know if I have to go back to the ship to exit to the main menu, but I usually do anyway, to get it to reset. I haven't been everywhere yet. Let's take a pass through here. Ah, there's something. Heard someone talking about heat valves, and I was like, I got some of those. And have another one here now. I think that would be about all I'm going to find on that pass. Slow down. See anything popping up on the targeting. Right, so I said I didn't see anything showing up there, so. So I'll try it, I guess. I'll just exit to the main menu here and see, where's it going to put me though when I come back? Am I going to be setting in the SRV or will I be back at the ship? I'll just go back to the ship. I need practice in parking anyway. I don't know if I have to exit from the front. Oh, put my cargo scoop up though.
Cargo scoop retracted.
You know, my Anaconda, I had to come in from one direction. So maybe not so. And I look down until it says, proceed. Okay, until it goes away. It's one time around. Do this 3 or 4 times and make it worth a trip out here. I am still shaking from that albuterol. Oh, what's this message here? Not that message. Oh, that's the decoded message that I scanned. Okay. See, it says I got 91% fuel. That's why I brought the other one in case I start getting low on fuel.
Drive assist on. Low gravity warning.
I guess I can enter either way. I don't know why my button I used to use for target ahead is not working. Something might have changed my mapping a little bit. That's probably why, because I know this ST key was mapped to gear down, and now it's mapped to a silent running. That was quite annoying when I tried to put the gear down the first time. Oh, cargo hatch. Helpful. Yeah. Don't forget to lower the cargo hatch before you scoop. No.
Cargo scoop deployed.
Alrighty. I think that's the other data terminal. Yeah. Something right there. I've also gathered some of these things from bounty hunting. Yeah, but I used during bounty hunting after someone would blow up, I would pick up some of their stuff. I will go back and scan that data terminal though. Not the COM panel, but the data terminal that gave me the firmware last time. That's really annoying. Because that same key that I use for target ahead, it's close to my trigger, and sometimes in my excitement, I would accidentally hit it, and it would untarget my guy I was fighting. And that was very frustrating. What is this? Alright, conductive components. I need more of those. I just scoop them, but you know, collection limit. I've never used one, and again, that's something I need to learn how to target them and program them and stuff. Because I've got fuel limpets, I have collection limpets, I've got the controllers, but I've never used them. So there's that. I've seen other people do that though. Exactly what you're saying with the. Where'd it go? Why is it not showing up targeted? So I guess you can get actually as much of the stuff as you want, and that you have patience for, you know. All there is to it. This is so easy. Just drive around if you got patience. And it's a lot quicker than some other methods, gathering so many. Where is that tower at? I'm lost. I'll find it. Right here so I can see. Here it is. Okay. Before I do that, let's get this. That's the compound. See if we get something different this time. Wrong button here.
Incoming message.
I want to see what we got, if it's different. Oh. That's something different. Hey, Techno Freak. How are you doing tonight? I'm just out here collecting some materials. place called Dave's Hope that everybody seems to know about except me. I'm gonna try that trick. I'm gonna exit and see if it puts me somewhere useful. Figure worst that could happen is it'll put me back on the ship. No, they don't lose them. I don't know if I'd lose those materials or not, though. But they shouldn't. Those things are global, so. That's pretty cool. Huh. Where's this data point at? Let's get actually right next to it. Yeah, we'll try this again. See how it works out. Oof. Now.
Incoming message.
Hate this compound. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay. Let's go pick up some more materials. Remember to lower your scoop.
Cargo scoop deployed.
I don't think I got it. Why am I not getting that? Oh, because I'm not targeting it. Duh. Oh, now I'm going to hit this thing. Micro Furball, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Just out here, I haven't done just very little engineering on anything. I didn't have any materials. So I heard somebody talking about this place, and I have traveled here, and I'm out here scooping materials that are just lying on the ground. It's great. For free. Going to speed up my engineering stuff a lot. I suspect I'm still going to have to do mine for the nanium. I don't even know how to say it. Is there something else back there? I thought I saw something. Guess not. At any rate, this is I never used an SRV before today. And none of this is hard. Come on, target the right thing. I'm gonna sneeze. Or cough. There. It's better. It was really nice of you to follow the stream, Micro Furball. I appreciate it. Always welcome. Come in, lurk, talk, give advice, tell me I'm a crappy driver. It's all true. And when I'm done and don't see any more lying around, I will exit to the main menu and come back and do it all again, because it resets. Conveniently. Yeah. I like it. Back up. These little fast little boogers. Okay. Another quick little pass here. Whoa, not that quick. Like a racetrack. Golly, that's fast. Maybe I should drive more like my age. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and exit. Like a flying. Okay, I'll go ahead and exit and do it again. I don't think I got everything that time, but that's okay. I like scanning that tower. What did I hit? Oh, I went to desktop. Darn it. I hate it when that happens. This Elite launcher is so slow. Well, there it goes. Starting. Maybe. There it goes. Extra time for coffee. Hey, I appreciate you coming in, man, and chatting with me. Well, next time I see you on, I'll certainly hop in and chat with you. Take care. Have a good evening. Yeah, exiting desktop, that was a mistake. It's way too long. Alright. Let's go scan the terminal first. See what new tasty digital item I get.
Incoming message.
Never works. Yeah, the hardest thing about this whole trip, the hardest thing, was figuring out the key bindings to operate the SRV. I have a HOTAS, and however it's mapped in an unusual way, but it's not that unusual, but it's not quite the same as flying. But and the turret stuff is mapped to the secondary point of view toggle. It's weird. What's that behind me? It's target. Okay, it's the data point. Now the NPC visitors. Not very skillful yet driving this thing, but take your time. It's not so bad. These big old rocks don't seem to bother it at all. Focus crystals. Just lying out for anybody to take. Does it get any better than this? Let's go check on the other side over here. No, that's a donut. Can you go up on that thing? Just want to see what's up here. Guess so, there are tracks going up here. Oh, it's a data point. I just want to see. I think there was a ramp thing somewhere, like a loading dock. I'm just wasting time. Having fun. That's what it's called a game for that reason. Chemical storage units. Oh my. I know from experience those comm panels I can't scan again. I've already scanned them once. Unlike the data thing. Okay. So I didn't even see it, but I collected it. And it was right here, though. I see something up ahead. In the real world, that rock would be a problem. But it's not. I'm about ready to reset it and try it again. I haven't gotten any heater veins yet. Well, this pass. I have from previous passes. Get off of that. I was doing so well. looking at the targeting to see if anything pops up while I'm driving around. Alright. I'm gonna exit to main menu. Exit main menu this time instead of quit the desktop. Continue. Solo. This hasn't been too bad though. I don't know how much fuel I have left. I gotta figure out where to check that at. Probably on the ship status stuff. Oh no, it says 2 hour. So it looks like over halfway, like a quarter tank, I guess. Oh, there's our friendly data port again. Data point.
Incoming message.
Okay. Let's go get some more materials. Scoop down.
Cargo scoop deployed.
Let's see, I saw that thing flash blue. Focus crystals? Ooh, yes, please. Go back and get that one in a second. Let's go. Too fast. Too fast. Density composites. I can imagine it takes hundreds of these to upgrade a ship and stuff. I won't be gathering hundreds of these this path. I'll do this about 2 more times. this is what I was talking about, this kind of a ramp thing. Can get on it. I just wanted to try it. Let's see. Now where's that other hill? Usually has two things on it. Well, this isn't it, but it might be a different aspect. There's the heat veins. I knew they're right here somewhere. There. And that'll probably be just about everything on this pass. Behind me. There's something. Mechanical scrap. Doesn't sound worth anything. Maybe if I target it? Here. Alright, let's reset the not instance. Well, I guess maybe that's what we're doing. I don't know. And do it again. I think maybe that'll be the last time. Don't want this to be too long of a stream. It takes forever to upload these things to YouTube. Oh, I did it again. Oh. Quit the desktop. Sorry about that. I'm just so used to when I get to that screen, I'm quitting. So, come on, Elite, start. There we go. That Epic Origins or whatever it is, launcher. Pain in the butt. Hey, I know what we need. We need to turn the music up for this because it's boring while I'm driving around. I've already been doing this an hour and 5 minutes. Man. In case anyone's wondering, music is provided by Stream Beats. It's copyright free. So I have to click in the window. They also just released a rock album. I'm gonna have to get that also. It's got two versions. It's got with lyrics and without. So you could play the rock music in the background, and I like the synth sound of some of their songs. So. Well, you know what we're gonna do first, right? Into more firmware or something. Oh well. Get the cargo hatch.
Cargo scoop deployed.
I know that's worth something. I've seen it in some guide. Focus crystals. Are they exquisite? I just fear not. What did I just did? Tell me I didn't. Yeah, thank you. Added that to the one bits. I guess if I was full of that, I would probably want to do that. But I'm not full of it, so I don't want to ignore it. A little bit of throttle goes a long way on this thing. What is that hill? There they are. It's the heat vein or something. One of these might be. Yeah. Not the close one. All right. Look around a minute and then head back to the ship. And once I get airborne, I probably end the stream because all I'm going to do is fly back to port. Or take an intermission and carry on doing stuff somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably end it. I got some things I need to do in real life here. I have a sick dog. I need to take her out. So she's outside. So she can do her business. Thought she was getting better though. This morning she was all cheerful and eating and stuff. And then started puking again. I don't know. Let's see more stuff. I know I haven't gotten it all though. Oh, there's one right there. Where's the base? It's the base of that plate. One radar. Okay, that's a successful end to this mission. Before I do this, I want to get a screenshot of my shipments. SRV next to it. I never can figure out what Joy, oh, there's Joy 8 is. That'll work. Pretty nice. And after doing all that, we still have no cargo. It's for people to interdict you for. I like that. I'm starting to get some. I probably have enough to actually do something. Gonna need a lot more though. I have something of everything. It's hard to believe. Because I've never really gathered too much materials before except for the bounty hunting stuff. Alright, let us depart. I think it's R. Yes. I guess I should put the landing gear up. That might help. Amateur hour.
Landing gear retracted.
Not mass locked.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Yep. Alright, I'm going to end this. I might stream again later. I doubt it, but thanks for coming in and excuse me, all you lurkers. Thanks for coming in and lurking. Thanks for the follow. Micro Furball. Really appreciate that. I really, really do. You guys have a great evening. See you next time. See you on YouTube. As soon as I move this window out of the way.